In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can construct a truck engine into a generator engine. That's what I'm talking about in this video. Let's go straight to it. You have about 6 or 8 steps to take. 6 or 8 steps to take to construct a truck engine into a generator engine. Let's go into a generator. The first one is that when you bring out the engine from the truck, you need to remove all the clutch accessories, both clutch, gearbox, remove all of them. And the only thing you need at that side is flywheel. Yes, flywheel. That is the only thing you need. Both clutch, both gearbox, or you call it transmission, remove those ones. You don't need it when you are constructing a generator. Then the second step you need to take is that you need a base. You need to construct what you call a frame where you're going to put the engine. It's going to be a metal frame where you're going to install the engine, and if that frame is going to strong enough based on the weight of the engine, so you can go to a welder to construct a good frame for you where you're going to install the engine. That's the second step you need to take. And the third step is that the frame, on that frame also you need to attach what you call the feed coil. The feed coil, remember, it is the feed coil that generates current. The work of the engine is just to rotate the engine. Is to rotate the feed coil. So the feed coil is the one to generate current. So, or you can call it alternator, simply call it alternator. So the engine and the alternator must merge together. You must merge it together. That is 3 steps. And what is the first step? The first step is alignment. Very, very, very important. You need to make sure that when you attach both the engine and the coil together, there must be a sound alignment. If you cannot do that, you can go to a professional, a machinist who are specialized in alignment. They will construct the alignment for you. If you get the alignment wrongly, the generator will not work. You will experience a lot of vibration and damages. So they know how to align the two together. If they're using a kind of rubber or metal to connect the two together and to make sure that they are in alignment. And if you can construct it yourself too, well, it is not bad. You are going to need a die gauge to ensure that the two are in alignment. It is the one of the important part while you are constructing a generator in a truck engine into a generator. The first time I did it, I got it wrong because my alignment was wrong, and when the engine is running, it's vibrating a lot simply because my alignment was wrong. What do? I invited a specialist, alignment specialist, and helped me to align it. Then the generator is working perfectly well. So you must get your alignment correctly. Ensure that the alignment of the feed coil and the engine is aligned together and is working perfectly. That is the fourth step you need to keep. And what is the fifth one? The fifth one is that you need a diesel tank. You need a diesel tank. You can construct it at the base of the engine or at the up. Since the engine has a lift pump, you can put the diesel tank anywhere around the engine. It will still run. And the sixth one is you need control panel. Generator always go with control. You must control your control panel, and on your control panel, four things must be there. One, the battery meter, the voltage meter, the frequency meter, and the temperature meter. So these 4 things must be on your control panel. That is, now you now have what you call a generator. But at this point, you cannot start the generator and run it. If you run it and you observe one heavy smoke while running it, then you go to my step 7 and step 8. If you observe a heavy smokes, black smokes where you are running it, that means you need to change the injection pump governor or the speed control on the injector pump. You need to change it to generator own. If you go to injector specialist, you can see on the screen, this is governor. A truck governor is different from generator governor, but sometimes it can work without changing it. But if you observe is every black smoke while you are running, especially when the generator cannot carry enough load, then you need it. Change the governor, replace the governor with generator governor. And sometimes you may need to replace your flywheel. If the flywheel is too small, it may affect the engine. You may need to replace the flywheel. But the first thing for you to do is to replace the governor. If you replace the governor, start the engine and let's see how it goes. Those are the few steps on how you can construct a truck engine into a generator. I've done it several times and it perfectly works. Hope you're going to do your own. Let's in the comment section if you have done any and what are the challenges you have. Maybe I can contribute one or two things. Thank you for listening to me. See you in my next video. Thank you.